Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this big package I received from Temu. I've actually opened it, so that it's easy for us to just unbox and get right into today's business. Without further ado, introduce yourselves. If you're new here, I'd like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? So yes, if you're seeing me for the first time, I'll introduce myself in the course of today's video. So come with me guys, let's go. Let's check what we have in here. We have quite a number of things that we have, in this box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. What do we have in here? So if you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, yes, I'd like to also say a big thank you to you guys. So guys, this is the first package from Temu. Yes, I got this beautiful boots, yes, for kids from Temu. Very nice, don't you like it? I love it, if I do say so myself. So let's go ahead and unbox the next one, the next package. Okay, let's see, what do we have in here? Oh, okay, guess what guys, they have thermal wears. It's about to get pretty cold, yes, so this is a thermal wear. It's not just one, it's a whole set, like a set of two. It's a pair, the trousers, and so this thermal wear, you have to wear it under your clothes and then wear. I like the texture, it's nice, like I recommend, so you wear the thermal wear underneath your outfit. Yes, so let's get to the next one. Okay, I've got another one. Okay, this is a bigger size. Thermal, yes, thermal wear for the win. It's actually very important for me. This is another thermal wear. I like it, and I think it's cool. Like, you love it. The texture is cool. It's a set as well. So it's not just a pair of pants as you see on a lot of platforms. They just sell the pants, thermal pants. But this one, it comes in a set, and you don't want to miss it, ain't it me? Yes, this is much needed, especially in this season. It's so cheap. You don't want to miss it. Yes, these are pairs of socks. Yes, I'm doing a lot of socks for the kids this period. So I love the texture. It's quite thick. You have the black, you have the white, you have the green, you have the blue, you have the yellow, you have the purple, you have the orange, and of course you have the pinky. Yes, this is one set of socks, and I'm just gonna put everything right here once I'm done. Yes, so yes, make sure that you use my link to download Temu today. Use my link to purchase on Temu. Guys, you will not regret it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be saving the best for the last. So like I said, I'm gonna be saving the best for the last. So let's go ahead and still check them out. Okay, so this is, now, you already know that it's not complete until this thing is there. Yes, this is a nail. These are a set of nails. You can do it yourself. It is very, very, like, now, it's not complete until there's one hanging inside. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check what else we have in here. Okay, we have another bag. Let's see. I don't joke with my thermal wear, so okay. I think I love what I'm saying. This is a longer version, though not my size, but yes, you can get all sizes, including my size there. This is for my kiddo. This is quite big, right? So they have it in different sizes though. So go ahead and use my link to purchase yours on Temu today. It's a beautiful thermal wear you don't want to miss. Let me go ahead and just put it in my let me put it back. I'm gonna be saving the best for the last, so make sure that you watch out and watch this video to the end. Like, I'm super excited. Which of them do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Yes, this is another set of socks. Another set. These are kind of like lighter sets. Okay, so this is the purple, this is the brown. I love brown. This is like I don't know, burnt orange. Burnt orange. That's the color I use. One of the colors I use for my wedding. This is light pink. This is dark pink. This is fuchsia pink, right? And this is peach. This is teal or turquoise blue. This is chocolate or dark brown. And this is another light pink. Yes, and I like the smiley. Yes, that's one thing I like about it. My daughter said that. She's like, oh, smiley face. I love it. You want to grab this for your kids too. It is super, super, super amazing. It feels so good. I like it. It's soft. You know, it feels really soft. It's not hard and thick. You know, it's really, really like cozy. You want to grab one. And yes, I've got this. Guess what we have in here? I'm excited. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's see what we have in here. Yay. Okay, this is a pants. It's like a PJs or like a comfy wear, inner wear, right? Yeah, it's something cozy that you know you can wear indoors or outdoors if you want. This is the yes, and it comes with a hoodie. Yes, it comes with a hoodie, and they have this love. So this is the hoodie. This is the So it really, really fits, and yeah, it's long sleeve and it's matching. It's a matching set of what I call it PJs. Yeah, you know. So and it also comes with one more package. So you want to see it? You want to see it? Hold on, let me show you. Guess what? It comes with a purse. If your baby loves purses, this is something that they will really, really love. Look at the purse. Look at it. You know, you can put in some coins in it or some cash. Yeah, you can do that. So she wears it and then hangs it around the neck, you know, or carries it like this. Like it's really, really cute. It's a cute handbag for babies. Yeah. So guys, like I said, I'm saving the best for the last. Well, what I call it the best depends. You know, but I'm excited to reveal to you guys the last but not the least. Just a second. Just a second. No, let me put this one here. We already unboxed this one. You already know now. By now. Yes, these are all from Temu. I'm telling you. So yeah, just so you know, this is from Temu. I'm telling you. Okay guys, okay, the last but not the least. Guess what it is? Guess. Oh, there's still something inside. There's still something, sorry. Yes, guys, you guessed right. Yes. A jacket. Yes, with fur. I like it. I like it, see? Yeah, it's long sleeve and it's thick. Like it is thick. I'm telling you. See? Yeah. This is for a 5-year-old, you know. So yeah, it is really, really cozy. This is the head, the hood, or the hoodie, or whatever it is. So it's really, really nice. I tell you. And yes, we have another, like I said, we have another one here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I like it. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, it's a Christmas nightie, Christmas themed nightwear. Yes, so you see, you're gonna love it. See, and they are so like very. I like the texture. So nice. You know, go ahead and use my link to purchase yours today. Thank you all so much for watching my video all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Mariah. Till I see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chances. Don't forget to download Temu using my link, my code. Use my code to purchase all of your items on Temu and get huge discounts today. All right, take care guys, and bye for now. Love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.